Hey guys, I am so excited to do today's video because I'm going to be sharing my secret to long hair, and that is my aloe vera pre-poo along with my new wash day routine. So I started with some fresh organic aloe vera leaf and I just cut that up into smaller pieces. And I got the aloe vera leaf from my local grocery store. I live in Cleveland, Ohio, so I got mine from Heinen's. But if there's not a Heinen's near you, then I would recommend just trying your local grocery store. And if they don't have it, then I know Whole Foods has it for sure. Again, I'm just cutting this up into smaller pieces just so I can work with it better and peel it. It was kind of like interesting. I had never cut an aloe vera leaf before, so I was kind of like enthralled by like the texture of the aloe vera leaf. And you're gonna see me like, get these close-up shots of the leaf because y'all gotta see this. Like, this was so nice. Because look at this. Like, look, I was just fascinated. I'm not gonna lie. Since the seasons changed, I noticed my hair had been brittle and had some breakage and shedding. So I was researching some natural remedies to incorporate into my hair routine when I discovered this recipe from a friend of mine. She was telling me how great aloe vera leaf is and how moisturizing it is and how it's going to help with my breakage and shedding. So I decided to try it. And as you can see, the recipe is very simple. Just aloe vera leaf, water, and your oil of choice. I use coconut oil. I've been using coconut oil since 2014. So me and that coconut oil locked in. And when I tell you this mask, it went crazy. But y'all gonna see the results in a second. I put on my raggediest t-shirt because this coconut oil is not gonna put no oil stains in my good shirt. Okay? And once I got that, I just took down this crusty old ponytail. This ponytail, struggling girl. I promise you, struggling. Okay? So relieved to get it out of my head, but you're gonna see me struggle to even comb through it because we had wax stick, we had Gots to Be, we had like 3 weeks worth of Gots to Be in that mess. And so I was so shocked because the mask actually broke, the pre-poo broke all of that down. It broke all of the product down, all of the dirt down, and you're gonna see like as soon as it touches my scalp, the mask is going to revert my hair so quickly. And so this mask, this pre-poo, it is a staple in my routine. Like every time I wash my hair, I do my hair, I make this pre-poo every single time because I can just see the difference. And aloe vera actually has a lot of good benefits, including keeping your hair smooth and hydrated by locking in the moisture. It also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and it can reduce inflammation for improved scalp health. So if you have like dandruff or like dermatitis, aloe vera also improves blood circulation in the scalp, which can deliver more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, and it has a lot of vitamins as well as fatty acids and amino acids that help strengthen your hair from the inside out. And one of my New Year's resolutions was to focus more on my hair care. I love a good weave. I love me a 30-inch jet black middle part bust down. But I have been slacking on my hair care these past few years, and I can see that reflected in the integrity of my hair from all the shedding and the breakage that I've been experiencing. And I know it's because I've been super neglectful with my hair care, and I wasn't always like that. I started doing my own hair in middle school. My mom is actually a cosmetologist. She retired a couple years ago, but she used to always do my hair growing up. And I remember in middle school, I had picture day, and it was the day before picture day, and that lady still did not do my hair. So high school, college, every 2 weeks, I would be doing my hair, taking care of it, washing it, deep conditioning it, trying new styles, protective styles, just to make sure that my hair was as long and healthy and shiny and moisturized as it could be. But just over time lately, I just haven't been dedicating as much time to it. And again, like I can tell, so I just want to get back to that place where I'm taking care of my hair like I used to, because I just want these tresses to get back healthy. Speaking of healthy, I love the Shea Moisture Duo. I am using the black castor oil shampoo and conditioner, and I know that line has been out for a while, but I was never really intrigued or enticed to try it because I already had like my regimen but I decided to try something new, and I have been sleeping on this line. This was the best shampoo and conditioner I've used in a very long time. My hair was very moisturized, very strong, very little breakage between the aloe vera and the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. My hair felt so good. And so a couple things that I look for in a good shampoo and conditioner is how moisturized it leaves your hair. Some shampoos, because of the alcohols and stuff in them, they can leave your hair really stripped. Even though the shampoo might say moisturizing, the shampoo can actually leave your hair stripped, and I could always feel that. I just thought I was tripping, but once I tried the Shea Moisture shampoo, I realized, girl, you're not crazy. A couple things I look for in a conditioner when I'm using it: how well the slip is, and then also how my curls react. And so you can see my curls are very moisturized. Like, it's coiling back up, the shrinkage is there, the elasticity is there, and that's how I know that I have a really good shampoo and conditioner. I'm almost at the finish line, and it took me about 25 minutes to detangle my hair, and that's in part because I had a really good conditioner, and also this brush came in really handy too. It's a detangler brush, and this detangler brush was easier to use versus a comb or a paddle brush. This was the moment I realized that conditioner and shampoo is really what my hair needed, because look at that. Look, the shine, the juicy coils. Y'all know my hair is long, but the shrinkage was crazy, and that's exactly what I look for in a shampoo and conditioner, and I know that I have found the right products. So shout out to Shea Moisture. Y'all did y'all big one. In total, this is the brush, and this is how much hair I lost, which wasn't a lot. It could have been way worse. And ta-da, we are done. We have reached the finish line, and I'm so happy because wash day, y'all know the wash day is a chore. It's a whole thing, okay? And I was tired. These are the results with the pre-poo and the Shea Moisture products, and I am pleased. My hair felt very healthy. It definitely got the TLC and the nourishment and the care that it needed. My hope in the future is that I'm just more consistent with my routine, because I do have hair goals. I want my hair to be longer. I want my edges to be thicker. I want to grow my bald spot back. And so with that, I'm just going to be wearing a lot more wigs because they're low tension and protective. But we are at the end. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. See you in the next one. Bye, honey.